Hey guys, welcome back to Infamous and Enigmatic. Today, Lai and I are here. Lai, where are we again?
Somewhere in Cornish, New Hampshire.
Yes, we're here at the Augusta St. Gaudens National Historical Site, which is up there. We decided to take a detour because you know how Lai likes frozen rivers? Yeah. You know how it is. Are we going down there? All right, so where's the sign that you said? Oh, there it is. Ah, ferns. My favorite. Ferns. Ferns, yeah. This is gonna be fun to put on YouTube, huh?
Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Don't get too close to the edge.
This is so cool. That over there, that looks like a bear print, maybe.
No, I think it's
All right, well, we'll see you guys at the top.